Hey, what is up everyone? Adam here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Now, there are a lot of reasons to upgrade from the iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 13 Pro line. A brighter 120Hz Pro Motion display, a better battery, a 20% smaller notch, if that's important to you. But the biggest improvements come to the camera, in the form of a larger sensor, improvements to the ultrawide and telephoto lenses, as well as some additional features like macro mode for close-up photography, photographic styles, and cinematic mode, which gives your video a nice blurry background. For most people, the improvements made to the camera are one of the biggest reasons why people upgrade their devices every year. So in this video, we're going to put the camera on the iPhone 12 Pro Max up against the 13 Pro and see whether these improvements are noticeable in normal everyday photography. One area we're not going to be able to compare are macro shots, because the iPhone 12 Pro Max doesn't have a macro mode, so it's an automatic win for the iPhone 13 Pro. But in all other areas, these two cameras are very comparable. And I'm not going to give you any color commentary as we go through these camera comparisons, because I want you to decide for yourself. So, with all that said, let's get into it. So what'd you think? Did you notice much of a difference between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the iPhone 13 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. There's also going to be a lot more iPhone content on the channel coming up, so be sure to subscribe for that. That's all I have for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys in the next one.